I'm going to give you 2 reasons why most people quit when it comes to making money online. Next. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I want to talk about why most people quit when it comes to trying to make money online, whether it be a part-time or a full-time income. Here's my take on it, right? The number one reason, the first reason why people quit is because it's harder than they thought it would be, right? And I'm not even blaming a lot of people who jump into it, because a lot of courses that people buy, it's promoted to be like, yo, make money in the next 10 seconds or make $100,000 tomorrow, and a lot of people, they like, oh hell yeah, I'm gonna get this, right? They get it. And then, not saying the program is whack or a scam, but sometimes, they promote, the sales pages and everything. It says one thing, but once you actually get the course, it's a lot of other stuff that needs to go into it that wasn't talked about on the sales page. Hence, it's a sales page, right? So a lot of people jump into all these different opportunities and buy all these courses, excited. And I've been one of them before. Like, you see something and it looks really, really good. And then you get it and you're just like, wait a minute, this is not even all of this. They didn't say I had to do all of this. And a lot of people get turned off of that, and they'll buy 2 or 3, courses, and all of them end up being more than what they said. And then most people just quit, right? Gotta I gotta start drinking water before these videos. But to me, that happens a lot, especially when you're dealing with businesses where you're trying to recruit people and everything. People really like, oh yeah, I'm down. And then the minute that they have to like write an email, or the minute they have to create a video, or build a landing page or something, a lot of people quit, right? The second reason why I feel a lot of people quit when it comes to making money online is they didn't find their groove, right? And what I mean by that is, like, a lot of times there's programs or courses, right? And you have to do certain things, like the marketing aspect. Pretty much every business at some point, whether affiliate marketing, e-commerce, freelance, and everything, there's some sort of sales element that goes into it, right? And a lot of people, they may start off, say for example, doing YouTube, right? YouTube videos. So they don't really want to do YouTube. They don't like YouTube, but they just feel like, oh, this is what everybody's doing, so I need to hop on YouTube. But maybe YouTube just ain't your thing, right? Or maybe, you trying Facebook marketing. You're like, yo, Facebook, that's where everybody at. That's where I'm gonna promote my stuff. That's where I'm gonna network and get leads, right? But you don't even like Facebook. Facebook ain't your thing. You don't like typing all day. You don't like being ignored, in the messenger and all that. You don't want to do all that, right? Instagram and so on and so on. So a lot of people quit, not even necessarily because what they're doing don't work, but maybe you haven't found the thing you're good at to propel your opportunity or make that money you want to make. Because maybe YouTube ain't your thing, maybe Facebook wasn't your thing, but maybe Instagram is where you would have shined if you wouldn't have quit. Instagram could have been like your thing, like, or whatever. It could be another thing. My point is, before you quit or realize something don't work, maybe try different avenues to work that opportunity that you're in. Maybe try a different way, right? A lot of times, if you try different methods before you give up, you'll find like, damn, I really like that. That's cool. Or me, I do YouTube a lot, obviously. If you subscribe to my channel, see I'm dropping that content. But YouTube, I just like YouTube more. I'm not really afraid to get on cameras. Like, it is what it is. I don't mind editing and stuff like that. I kind of even like it. So to me, YouTube, I feel like it is my thing, right? Facebook, I'm not huge on Facebook. I'll be on Facebook, but I'm like, eh. And Instagram, my Instagram game is kind of garbage right now. I need to step that up. I'm learning more stuff. I'm gonna do a couple videos on that in the future. But my Instagram, I'm not really an Instagram dude. To be honest with you, YouTube is more my thing, right? So if you can find a platform or two, start with one and work that, with any of your opportunities, because any opportunity most likely is going to involve some sort of social platform, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, something. So find a thing that you're good at, that you enjoy learning and doing, and you probably be a lot better off, guys. So those are two tips that I see a lot of people, quitting, why they stop making money online. And to finish this video out, why you shouldn't quit is because it's so many opportunities out there. If you're trying, to make money, work from home, be your own boss, there's so many opportunities out there. And actually, there's opportunities being created all the time. Even as you're watching this video, there's probably more opportunities out there. And you just got to try it out, really work it. And then, if you really, really ain't feeling it or whatever, then check out another opportunity. But go hard first before you just completely quit. But if that's what you're really trying to do, work from home, be your own boss, it's too many opportunities out there for you to just throw in the towel and just be like, all right, I'm going back to the 9 to 5 because I hate it, but I can't do nothing else. Don't do that. All right. So hopefully this video helped you out. If you're interested in doing what I'm doing and want to join my team and start creating a passive income, be sure to check out Genacity, link in the description. If you have any questions after checking it out, you can give me a call or text because my number is also in the description of this video. Now, I'm going to keep it real. Genacity, crazy earning potential, great company, but you will have to put some effort in. And when we talk, if you want to join my team, I keep it all the way real. If you're serious about it, you can make that money, that passive income, and build your own business. So guys, check that out. Be sure to comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.